Hi, I'm Kim with Modular Greenhouses, and today we're going to talk to you about winterizing your greenhouse swamp cooler. The tools you're going to need to winterize is an adjustable wrench and a cover for the outside of your swamp cooler. The first thing we need to do is turn off our water source. For us today, we have an external water tank, so you're going to turn off your valve and make sure no more water is running to the swamp cooler. Using an adjustable wrench will drain the water. Once you've drained all the water out of your swamp cooler, make sure you close the drain plug back in. Once you've turned the water off and drained the swamp cooler, we'll cover the swamp cooler so no air continues to go into your greenhouse during the winter. To better seal your greenhouse from cold air coming in through the swamp cooler, we're going to place either a piece of plastic or maybe you could use a piece of cardboard to cover the inside of the front face of the swamp cooler. First, you'll want to remove the 4 screws on the face of the swamp cooler and then pull the face off. Once you have it opened, we'll place the plastic or cardboard or whatever you choose to use on the inside. Once that's done, we'll place the face back on. And we're all ready for winter. Thanks for watching our swamp cooler winterize video. Check out more videos at modulargreenhouses.com, and happy growing during the winter season.